To put it simply, the fully automatic gluten forming machine is a device that washes the flour out of gluten. The prepared gluten strings are put into the flour cutting machine, and the cut spiral flours are produced after being processed by the machine. Therefore, the two sets of equipment complement each other and are also required for wholesale gluten skewers. Gluten needs to be steamed and cooled after forming. Steaming. Put the prepared gluten into the cooking pot. Steaming time, depending on the size and thickness of the gluten. Steam for a certain time, usually a few minutes. Cooling, natural cooling. Remove the steamed gluten from the steamer and place it in a ventilated place to cool naturally. Cold water cooling. You can also soak the gluten in cold water for a while to help cool down quickly. It should be noted that specific cooking and cooling methods may vary depending on the gluten preparation methods and personal habits. The all-in-one gluten cutting and drying machine automatically completes the processes of gluten threading, rotary cutting, stringing, and transportation, realizing a truly fully automated production process from feeding materials to products. Significantly reduce operating workers, improve production efficiency, and reduce labor costs. Moreover, the production of gluten rolls is made by imitating manual windings. There is no extrusion or use of grinding tools in the whole process.